DJI is redefining efficiency for agricultural spray drones. 12 years of research and development have led us to this. The Agras T100. With 360 degrees of obstacle avoidance thanks to its new LiDAR and millimeter wave radar, almost 45 mph flight speeds, and even an ability to switch from a spray drone to a transport system, able to lift more than 200 pounds of payload. There's a lot to like about DJI's latest ag drone, so let's check it out. Right away, the biggest headline is the payload capacity. The T100 features a high-capacity spray tank and spreader system that allows you to cover more acres per flight. That means fewer takeoffs, less downtime, and a more efficient workflow, especially for larger-scale farms. Another major upgrade is its dual-function capability. The T100 isn't just locked into spraying. You can quickly switch from liquid spraying to granular spreading. Whether you're applying fertilizers, pesticides, or seeds, the system quickly adapts to what you need. Now, this drone is called the Agras T100 partially because it does have a 100-liter tank, but it can also lift up to 100 kilograms. So that's 220 pounds, or the weight of a full-size refrigerator. So if you're not spraying, now you have a heavy lift transport system for moving things like crops, agriculture equipment, and more. But of course not people. Those 62-inch carbon fiber blades do spin extremely fast, and that of course can end very badly, to say the least. And with whatever you're spraying, the T100 can be extremely precise, not just because of its centimeter level accuracy when it's connected to the DJI RTK-3 Ag, but also with droplet sizes as small as 50 microns. So that's about as thick as your hair. Now, the reason why that's important is because it allows you to get much better liquid penetration with whatever you're spraying. Now, for flight performance, the T100 features much better propulsion and a better power management system, giving you stable flight even under the max takeoff weight of about 390 pounds. Now, working quickly and more efficiently is great, but automation is what makes your life a lot easier. With DJI's latest flight planning tools, you can map fields, generate precise routes, and let the drone handle the execution. It maintains accurate height, speed, and flow rate throughout the mission, which helps reduce overlap and chemical waste, while improving overall crop consistency. You also get a redesigned spreading system with higher flow rates and better uniformity. That means more predictable application results, which is crucial for managing costs and crop health. And finally, battery and charging efficiency. DJI continues to refine their high-capacity battery systems, allowing for quick swaps and charging in as little as 8 to 9 minutes with the C12000 smart charger. That way you can stay operational with minimal interruption. So overall, the DJI Agras T100 is designed for operators who need scale, precision, and flexibility, all in one platform. So if you'd like more information on the Agras T100, click on the link below, and thanks for watching.